Okay, Emily, on the one of the pages your mom sent, number 6 was this triangle. You almost had it done, you just didn't finish it. I don't know why. You had it right. It was 5x plus 69 plus 66 equals 180. You add these. You got, what'd you get? 135 equals the 180. You subtract the 135. Oh, equals. There you go. Up here, finish it up here. 5x equals 45. You have all that, but you just forgot to divide by 5 on your paper. And you had it, then you erased it. I don't know why. X equals 9. That's the answer. Don't forget to put that on your number 6. Okay, this is your number 9. Number 9. You set it up perfect, Emily. You almost had it right. 40 plus 9x plus 2 equals 11x plus, that's an ugly plus, 11x plus 18. You set it up good, but you screwed up right here. This is a 9x, Emily. You can't take out the 9. It's only a 40 and the 2. 40 plus 2 is 42. On your work, you added 40 plus 9 plus 2. You got 51, so that's where you messed up. Anyways, 40 plus 2 is 42. Bring down the 9x equals 11x plus 18. I like to get rid of the baby x first, which in this one's 9. 9 smaller. Minus 9x minus 9x. 42 equals 11 minus 9 is 2x. Bring down the 18. Then subtract 18 like you did. That goes away. I'm going to put it up here, have more room. 42 minus 18 is 24 equals 2x. Divide by 2. X is 12. Okay, Emily, this is the other page your mom sent. This one is number 1 on that other paper. I want to go over something real quick before I even get into this, because you didn't do anything here. Okay, first this. Triangle DEF. The little symbol means congruent. It's congruent to triangle FIJ. Congruent means same size, same shape. You see this little symbol right here? That's a little 1 mark. That's another little 1 mark. That means this side here is congruent to this side here. That's what it means. They're the same size. Same thing here. See how it has 2? This one has 2. That means this one is the same as that side. This one has 3. So does this one. That means that this side here is the same as this one here. The same thing with the angles. See how this has 1 angle? This has 1 angle? That means that angle D and angle F are the same. Over here too. See how this has 2 of them? And over here this has 2. Uh-oh. 2 of them. That means E and I are the same angle. And it works the same here. There's 3 here, 3 there. Okay? Okay. Okay. The question wants to solve for x. If you notice, 2x minus 4 is the one that has 1 little stick. That's ED. And this one has the 1 little stick, so it matches this one, the 68. That's the same. Which means they are equal, because they're congruent. So 2x plus 4 equals 68. Subtract 4. 2x equals 64. Divide by 2. And x is 32. So x is 32. Then it wants to know what DE is. And DE is this, all of this. How much is DE? It's 2x plus 4. And you know x is 32. So let's figure it out. 2x plus 4. You know what x is. 2 parentheses 32 plus 4. 2 times 32 is 64 plus 4, 68.
Now,
could have just showed you the shortcut, but I wanted you to see all the work. So let me show you this real quick. Remember I told you that this right here, this one, is the same as this one? So if you knew that this one right here is 68, then so is this one. See? 68. 68. I just made you do all the work so you could look at it. Okay, this is number 2. It says triangle HGF is congruent to triangle HTS. So same size, same shape. I'm going to show you the shortcut. Find the measure of angle G. You see how G is in the middle? See? In the middle. It's in between those two. You go over here. Which one's in the middle? T. That means that G has to be the same as T, because they're both in the middle. And you know T. T is 45, which means that G is also 45. 45 degrees. There's your answer. And just FYI, this one's 50. And then if they wanted you to find this, 50 plus 45, subtract from 180. But they didn't ask. That's all they wanted. Okay, this one is number 3. Let's check it out. First, find angle U. U, see how U has 2 little marks? So look for the one that has 2 little marks. Here you go, this one. So U is also 84. So angle U is 84 degrees. There you go. And then you might as well fill in the rest. This one's 56 and this one is 40. Because they match the symbols. Now it wants to know how much VW is. VW. VW is this right here. But remember, VW has 3 little marks, you see? 3 of them. Which one has 3? This one does. Which means that this and this are equal. So this is just 18 also. Okay. Now, the teacher got tricky, wants to know what X is. But you do the same thing. I told you this one has 3, this one has 3. So this and this are equal. 3x minus 6 equals 18. Add 6. 18 plus 6 is 24. Divide by 3. X is 8. 8. There we go. Okay, this is the number 4. Of course, you know this little angle is 90. It's a box 90. 90. You want to find W, X, and Y. In other words, you want to find all the other triangle you don't have. You want to find W, X, and Y. Now, the last one's easy. Why? Because this is Y. And this one. Those are vertical angles. Since they touch each other, they're equal. This is also 36. So Y is 36 degrees. Now, okay. Now, remember I told you that the letters match each other. So, you know E is 90. E is the last letter right here, see? The last letter. The last letter here is X. So, this is 90. Doesn't look like it, but that's what your teacher said. So, 90 degrees. I gotta tell my students not drawn to scale. Okay, now you need to try to find F. That way you can find W. So just 90 plus 36. Subtract that from 180, that's 126. Yeah, 54. That's 54, that's 54, that's 54. Okay, and number 5. You're trying to find X. Oh, I forgot to put this. That's 5x plus 10. See? 3 little marks. 3 little marks. Oh, forgot to put over here. 4x minus 7. There you go. Anyways, 3 little marks, 3 little marks. Remember what I told you? They have the same marking, which means they are equal. Or you could look here. U is the last one, R is the last one, so that means they have to be the same. 5x plus 10, that's an ugly 5. 5x plus 10 equals 4x minus 7. Subtract 4x because it's smaller. 1x plus 10 equals negative 7. Subtract 10. X equals negative 17. There you go, negative 17. Okay, and the last one, number 4. No, number 6, my bad. On the last one, let's find x first. Remember, that has 2, this has 2, which means they are equal. 3x minus 4 equals 2x plus 7. Subtract 2x. Add 4. X is 7 plus 4 is 11. 11. Now, this says find out what JU, this is JU right here, and then find out what UV is, this one. Now remember, they both have 2 little marks, so they should be equal. A good way to check your work. So let's see. 3x minus 4. 3 onto 11 minus 4. (33 minus 4), that would be 29. 3x minus 4 is JU, so that is 29. Hopefully this is 29, if not we did it wrong. Let's see. 2x plus 7, 2 onto 11 plus 7. 2 times 11 is 22, plus 7 is 29, and yep, I'm a genius. We got it right.